The Shorty drawing pencil is one of the items that's, I don't know, kind of like in my favorite category of items, and that's like art on the go, mobile art. I like that urban sketching stuff. I like the idea of being able to throw things into a little bag and take it with me. But what I want to do is just kind of show you what you get when you get the Shorty drawing pencil. First of all, it's a very sleek, clean design. You'll see some comments. You know, people felt that it feels good in your hand. It has just a simple design to it, and it also helps them loosen up. I think the reason, I guess for me, it would help me loosen up is because it's light. It's not very heavy, which makes it great for traveling. But I can just hold it in so many different ways. I mean, I could hold it like a traditional pencil, and we've got a 3mm 7B lead in here, which is going to be a soft lead. I can hold it more like a traditional pencil, but I could also, I don't know, kind of hold it in more of a looser fashion. And depending on how much of this graphite I want to let out, I don't, you don't want to snap it, so you go even lighter, and you can get kind of more loosen up, designerly blocking in types of effects. And it's just one of those clean, simple tools that you don't need a sharpener for, because the lead is 3mm. It basically sharpens as you go. You know, if you feel like the point's getting a little dull, then I would just say take one side of it and just kind of work through it like that. But the kit itself comes with one lead already inside and two extra, and we sell packs of 12 refills, so there's always plenty to go around. And it just like, I just brought one of these drawing sketch pads up here because they just make it so easy to just take, make, go, take and go, bring it with you. Even though it's light, it has a good feel in the hand. Of course, you can always attach it to your paper and all that jazz. But just a quick little product demonstration of the Shorty drawing pencil, a great tool for your arsenal. That's an art arsenal.